The spread of the novel coronavirus is a monster situation to deal with, but you can still take control of your learning and keep up with the classes. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Be Creative and Artistic. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my personal 7 effective tips and tricks on how to study for an online class. Without further delay, let's get started. Tip number 1. Create a quiet study space. A better study space is very important as it is necessary for your concentration. Make sure to keep all your essentials such as your laptop or mobile, headphones, notes, pen and pencil, water bottle and snacks. Your study space can be anywhere that helps you to focus, whether it's a spot at your dining table or even a chair on your balcony. Get creative with the space you have. Number 2. Log into your classes as soon as possible. Be prepared to join your online class a few minutes before it starts, so that you can make sure your audio and video are working or not. Also make sure to log into your class regularly. This is one of the most powerful ways you can prepare yourself for success both in school and in life. Tip number 3. Eliminate distractions. It can be difficult to focus on your online classes if you have a social media account open in another tab in your computer or receiving notifications from your mobile phone. Now, how to get rid of these distractions while you are attending your online classes? Then it's just simple. Block those websites in your laptop or computer which distracts you. While you are using your mobile phone, go to the settings option and mute those apps notifications. And that's it. Now you can focus very well. Tip number 4. Take notes on online classes. I usually use a rough notebook to write down all the important points and notes of each subject during my online classes. My handwriting would be very bad at this point of time, like how the doctor's handwriting would be like. Taking notes in rough notebook was easy for me to understand the connection between the stuff or the information I wrote. I spend 1 to 2 hours to rewrite the rough notes into my main subject notebooks. Some students may feel this tiring and lazy to write the notes again, but rewriting your running notes in a legible handwriting helps you better understand the material and remember your notes clearly. Tip number 5. Record it. So first of all, this is an optional method, but this trick has really helped me while I was taking my running notes. From the first day of my online class, I was feeling so much difficulty while taking running notes very fast. And in between I miss out some important points too. So if you are a person like me who really worried about missing important points and details while listening to your classes, then I suggest you to use your mobile and record that particular subject lecture. While you are recording in the class, also make an effort to take your own notes too. And once the classes are finished, spend time to listen to your subject class recordings and check your notes to identify the points that you have missed out. This trick has really improved my note-taking method and it really made it simple. Tip number 6. Ask for help when you need it. Teachers like it when students ask questions or doubts. First of all, it tells them that you are paying attention in the classes. If you didn't understand any particular topic while your teacher was teaching, just unmute yourself and ask for help. Asking for help actually makes you look smart, so don't be afraid to ask for any help. Final tip. Take breaks. Studying for long hours can easily lead to burnout. Once your classes are finished, do something fun like watch TV for a few minutes, check out your social medias, or do some stretches, etc. It's important to take breaks as you study. You will find yourself feeling refreshed and recharged after a quick break. So that's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, for more videos, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for my latest updates. See you in my next video. Bye.